This clip is entirely generated by AI, so is this one and this one. That's right, folks, pandas don't skateboard, and Darth Vader is not really big on riding a bicycle. Yes, we're reaching a point when AI is starting to generate not just images, but videos, and today I'm going to show you how to do that using open source tools. Now, running this model may require pretty powerful hardware, but I'm going to show you a workaround. Google offers this tool called Colab. You can get it for free, or you can pay literally a few bucks a month to get some serious compute power behind your Python. So this is what a Colab environment looks like. It's very similar to a Jupyter notebook. And to run this, we're going to change our runtime type. We'll go from none to, I like to use GPU. And you may have a different option, just T4 if you're using the free tier. Since I'm paying literally a few bucks a month, I'm going to use the V100 high RAM, and I'm going to leave it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and save. So we'll start off by installing diffusers, transformers, accelerate, and torch. And if you're using a notebook or a Colab, you want to add a little exclamation mark in the beginning of a cell to run a terminal command. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to head over to Hugging Face, which is a hub for everything AI, models, data sets, you name it. And we'll head over to the diffusers library, text to video. So we see that they're using this pipe, which is going to pull the model. They are using it with CUDA, which is a binding for NVIDIA hardware. Then there's a prompt, and you can go ahead and get creative with it. It doesn't have to be Spider-Man surfing. It uses the pipe to create some frames, and then with this util, it exports it to video. Eventually, you're going to have the video path. So let's grab this, and we'll see that the installation is done. And we'll go ahead and paste it right here. So I'm just about ready to run this code. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. Now, the first time we run this code, it's going to take a bit longer since it has to pull the model and do initial setup. But the second and third time are going to be a little bit quicker. You see a pretty strange file name right here, and I have a little trick I like to do to make it easier for me to locate these files. I add a cell, and then what I do is I copy this right here, and I go ahead and type in exclamation mark CP, and then I paste it right here, and I copy it into ./surfman.mp4 or whatever you wish to name it. And then it should be available to me right here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it, and the file is downloaded, and you can go ahead and play this. If you're using a Mac, you may have to upload it to Drive first before playing it, or to a different video player than QuickTime. While this is a silly example, the possibilities are truly limitless. Hugging Face has so many models, from text to image and beyond. Now, it is important to say you're dealing with pretty powerful tools here. And I'm telling you that because I hope that you will use them for good. Because as Spider-Man's uncle once said, with great power comes great responsibility.